It's a saw.
It's an antique saw?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's a real deal, though. I mean, that's real. That's
we got it from
old.
all of this trash right here. Put the light on this. And we found a Dansk little votive candle. This wrought iron things here to put in on the porch. These are really neat. There's a beautiful painted Chinese tray, and then this glass Easter egg thing. And there's this big cast iron thing right here. See that? Okay, and over here we have the kids table where you put the train on it. So that's what we got so far. Hey guys, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. I am a hot mess. It is Sunday. I am so behind doing anything YouTube related. I literally spent the entire week attending to the acquisition and selling business. It's doing really well, but I have to say it's starting to get overwhelming. There's a lot of stuff. So by the time you get to see this video, I've already placed a whole bunch of stuff on the marketplace and on eBay. It's mostly stuff that I found this week. What we're trying to do at this point is grab stuff every week and try to move it that same week and have the least amount of leftover possible, because in my town, and we're only doing my town right now, we really are getting a lot of stuff. So today is a little bit different because some of you have asked for me to film myself trash picking or dumpster diving, or whatever you want to call it, free picking, I guess. And I did that. I didn't film everything. I filmed a little bit here and there because A, it's pretty embarrassing. Two, it's kind of difficult to film and pick at the same time. So eventually I will have to invest in a GoPro. Not yet. I don't know if I keep doing this anyway. So I'll do that. So I'm gonna have this video split into two parts. The first part is me picking the north side of town. When was it? Well, this week. So it was Monday, and then Tuesday we went back. So, but I think I only film on Monday. So you'll get to see that. And then the second part is me picking at the Goodwill, but a different Goodwill, because I switched them, because otherwise you see the same stuff. So that one was the POMPTON plane, I think, on Friday. So you'll get to see that in the second part of the video. So I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be very fragmented because it's bits and pieces here and there, but it just gives you an idea of what it takes to grab stuff. And by the way, everything you see is already for sale, and some of it already sold. So let's get started. Let me go, and I'm taking you trash picking in the middle of the night.
Three bicycle helmets. Dolls. Sticking the lawn back. Toys, baseball.
This is all trash. This is a wreath. It's one of those hats. Pumpkin decor. There's a mirror. Put the light on this. What is this? Oh. Looks like it's all trash. I'm telling you, it's brand new. Oh no. Charcoal commercial.
You know what, though?
What?
You know how much the stainless steel is worth today?
How
You
much?
go to the junkyard with that?
What?
Yeah, you probably get 25 bucks.
Whatever. It looks like it's in decent shape.
This is ripped over here, huh?
It's ripped?
Yeah.
It's just a little scuff. But look at the base of it. I don't know. Want to pass? Or is that another leather chair?
Yeah.
How does it look? Looks nice. And what is that, a futon?
Yeah.
The wrought iron, right?
Yeah. The light gauge work on it.
Lampshades need to be cleaned. Okay, so we got some ugly decor, but okay. Look at that. Waterford, these are the same one than mine. Ah, this one's broken. Okay, what's this? What does it say? Abundance covered box. Okay, I'll take that. What's this? Waterford.
Do you see those glasses? Those square ones?
Yeah,
I have them.
those purple glasses are nice. These are really nice. You see that? That's the Lennox with platinum around it. Okay, so we're taking... No, you see that? Look, it's got a... it's broken. These are Waterford. That's a whole manger set. And look, there's the... there's a picture on the box.
On my side, there's a whole picture of it.
Okay, so then there's this box. We got some crystal in here. There's some large platters. This is gorgeous. Look at that. So we're gonna take that box. And what's in this one? It looks like the grandma's attic got toys. There may be some vintage toys in there. No, these are modern toys.
Oh, it's broken. It's a Christmas one. It was made in Poland, though.
It's broken?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think this lady's got anything valuable.
Nope.
I don't know if this is worth anything, but there we go. We got a brand new in the box doll. Is she porcelain or bisque? Yeah, she is. I don't know. All right, let me take her, and then there's this one here, right? We'll take the doll. So I hope you enjoyed that. I didn't film everything. There's some stuff that's missing. A lot of things we found on other days. Because remember, what I'm doing is north side and south side of town. So that was north side you just saw. And north side is my side of town. And it's never a very good side. We find stuff and we sell it. But it's not like the super high-end stuff. Now, this week, we're starting south side, and that's where I found the mahogany dresser, which didn't sell yet. All the Lennox crystal I found there, the skis, bunch of other stuff last week. What else did we get that was kind of fancy? The bench sold, but you'll see that in the next video. So anyway, so this week is south side, so that was north side you just saw. But now I'm taking you to Goodwill, because we went to Goodwill on Friday night, a different Goodwill. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, we switched them, so there's no repeat, and we found some pretty good stuff. I hope you enjoyed this, and that would be it for this video after that. So I will see you at the end. So this is a Spode Christmas tree lace ball. They want $6.99 for it. You can only get it and sell it for $15. We're looking for items that would sell for triple, not just double. So that's a pass. Looks vintage. Set $4.99. There's 4 of each. 4 like this and 4 like that. Let me look on eBay. So these are vintage Indiana glass. There's 4 tea, 1 or iced tea, and then 4 tumblers. They want $4.99 for the whole set. 4 of these sell for about $10 to $15 on eBay. Same thing with the other one. So there's about $20 here worth of glass, and they want $5 for it. So that would fit the bill. I just don't know if I can move them. I have to think about those. This is pretty cool. I haven't seen one in a long time. This is an 8mm projector by Revere, 3M. They want $30 for it. You can sell it for $55, $70 on eBay. Not worth the bother of packing it, but pretty cool. Yeah, this is a vintage Waterford. Wait until you see the price. $5.99, and I am keeping it. Yes, I am. And guess what? It's going to my house. I am keeping that one because I have several vases, and this one is perfect for tulips because it's fluted or tapered. Beautiful. It just needs some serious cleaning. It is in perfect condition. I am not selling this one. It is going home. Too bad I would be losing money on this. This is a Corelle insulated carafe in excellent condition. They only sell for like maybe $5, $8 on eBay, and this one they want $7.99. So nope, Goodwill. Somebody else will enjoy it, but I can't resell that. So I found these 3 Country Train mugs. I'm going to sell them as a lot of 3. They each 99 cents, and one of them sold for $18 on eBay, so I'm going to sell it as a set. And I'm looking all over. I can't find any more. There's more mugs over there though, and then there's those Star Wars one. I don't think they're worth anything because these are repro. And what else did we find? Gee, I wonder whose that is. There's a Starbucks one here with the velvet. They want 59 cents for it. They sell for like $5.99. I'm not gonna bother with that. Taking a gamble on these. These are Littonware. They want $1.99 for them. There's two of them. They are divided dishes that go in the microwave. $1.99. Oh, so $2 each. $4 investment. They sell for $25 for a pair. So I'm gonna try if I can sell those. All right, this is a lighted musical carillon by Carol Lights, and it works. It's really, really cool. It plays 12 different songs. It's not too annoying. It's intact with all its pieces, and they want $5.99 for it, and I think I can sell it for $30. So guess what? I am taking it. Here's an example of not worth the profit. This is $19.99. It's a pair of Lennox salt and pepper. One is a mill, the other one is a shaker. They sell on eBay between $20 and $30, so no profit on those. I'll pass. Okay, perfect for crazy cat ladies, including me. This is $1.99. This is a wooden interlocking puzzle. It's complete. The same one sold on eBay for $22, so I'm getting this. I gotta get out of here, you guys. I see a lot of unsorted stuff. Nothing of major value. Somebody mentioned that I should get the Vision, but I don't know enough about it, so not today. I'm sure I'll find more later on. Let's go on this side. I didn't find any milk glass today. Well, there was some, but it was Fire King. Not worthy. Some pottery and candles here. That's a frog. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Look at all this area I didn't do yet because they are closing. Okay, I collect those, but they gotta say Japan underneath. Nope, Taiwan. How about these? Nothing. This is interesting. Right, so that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more trash picking, comment down below, leave a comment, and then I will see you in the next video in which I put everything up for sale. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!